uncle from Magatri.
Who?
Magatri.
Leave that one. I don't want to talk to him.
Okay. But why do you have to say the number with Magatri?
Is that your business? I have every right to save any number I want with any name. Eh? Are you querying me? See, in fact, don't you ever touch my phone again. Did you hear me?
Okay. I'm sorry now. Sorry, my beloved sister. Sorry, no vex. It was a mistake. Don't worry, I will never go close to your phone again. Me, I will never go close to you, talk more of touching it. Anytime you see me touch your phone again, spit on me. But remember, nothing hidden lasts forever.
Better for you. That's your business. This one, Ego, is suspecting me. I have to do something very fast too. Ego! Let me show this guy now. Ego!
Who is that?
Hey, good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing here? I'm asking you. What are you doing here?
I came to look for Ego.
Will you get out of this place now? Come on, get out. Shut one like it. Look at this coconut.
Daddy, what is it now? What happened?
Will you just shut up your mouth?
Why are you embarrassing my friend?
Come up here. You're embarrassing who? You called it embarrassment? That girl is a bad influence. I don't want her to spoil you.
That is not fair. It's not fair. If Chinwe is a bad girl, I wouldn't have made her my friend.
It's because you don't even know her too well. You don't know her too well. Did you ask her where she got money to buy those expensive clothes she was displaying before you? Did you ask her that? When did she start working with a finance company? Or maybe an oil company? Or maybe she has now joined agriculture? Did you ask her about that? No. If I ever see that girl again here, I will chisel her leg off. Stupid you. Hey! Come! Look, Ego. From there now, just move to your maternal home. Did you hear what I said? In fact, if your maternal home is not okay for you, combine it with my own maternal home together. Short and tiny people. Coconut and electric wire. Hopeless people. Sandy baby! Sandra. The most beautiful girl in the whole wide world.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my beautiful angel. You see, each time I see your face in the morning, you always give me that good luck that takes me all throughout the day.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my God. Is that all you have to say? Why not give me attention?
Okay, sir. What is it that you want?
You know now. You know. I've been toasting you since you packed into this apartment. And the reason why I gave you this apartment is to have something in common with you.
For the upteenth time, sir.
Yes.
You're not my type. Besides, you're old enough to be my father. So why don't you take me as your daughter?
Who says I am old? Age is just a number. Look, if you can oblige me by reciprocating to my advances, you will see how young I am in bed.
Thank you. But I am not interested.
Do you know the consequences of refusing my advances? Your landlord? Do you know that?
I don't care.
The landlord, the owner of this compound. I'm not just the owner of this compound. I am the landlord and the owner of the land. The one who gave you apartment where you've been hiding your head. Okay. Since you don't care, I will care.
landlord. I have told you to stop badgering on me. I'm a lady for goodness sake. Or do you want to see my nakedness? See, when next you try this, you will not believe what I will do to you. Now tell me, what do you want from me?
Have you finished your cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha? No. Rattlesnake. Have you finished your ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta? Anyway. Take this.
You served me a eviction letter simply because I refused to sleep with you?
Yes. All those men that have been coming to sleep with you here, are they better than me? I ask you a question. Are they better and greater than me? Eh? You've been holding it.
You know that I'm a woman. I have to do small shakara now.
Oh. So you've been doing shakara all this while? Eh?
Yes, now. You know that we have to play hard to get sometimes.
So you two, you're playing hard to get.
Yes,
Charlie.
So tell me, what do you really want from me?
Sandra, I want you to be my secret lover. I want us to love ourselves so that we'll be making love from time to time.
But we can't do anything right now.
See, Sandra, let me just tell you the truth. Each time I see you, all my body will be doing oh, my body will be going up, come down, go up, come down, go up. You don't know.
Really?
See, why not give me this and let me chop now?
But I'm about going out now.
There's no need for that. We'll just do small now. When we do small now, when you come back, we'll do the big one. Yes.
But what about your wife?
Don't you know that I married Canopy? I married the flyover. That one is a forgotten now. Look, I want to divorce her. And when I divorce her, I will not bring you in as my full-time wife.
Okay. So,
Why don't you start undressing and get into my bed?
Wow!
so we can have the quickie like you suggested.
Oh, come on, start undressing.
Yes, my bed has been made for you.
You slept in bed before me.
I think my TV is out.
This is excellent. Help me undress me. Yes.
Ogala Lord.
Hey!
Stop, my friend.
Listen to this.
Sandra, I don't know what you're doing now. Be my secret lover. So that we will be doing, just be making sure.
Listen to the part that involves your wife.
Whoa!
But what of your wife now?
I don't forget that person is Canopy now. You don't know that I married the flyover. Oh. I even want to divorce her. Sandra, why are you doing this to me? Sandra, why did you decide to record my voice? Please, I am begging you. Please don't put it in the internet, please.
Why should I do that?
Please.
But I'm sure your wife will be so excited once she listens to this voice note that you were in my bed.
Oh, Sandra, why do you want to do this now? Sandra, why do you want to do this? Sandra, this is between the two of us. See, I am ready to give you anything. So that you will not let this out, please. I'm begging you.
For your information, even if you decide to destroy my phone, it's already in the cloud.
Oh,
Now,
then from the cloud now to heaven.
get out of my room this minute.
After all this is...
Get out!
Sandra, please now. Sandra, don't do this to me. Sandra, please.
If you don't get out, I will shout rape. And you know what that means.
Sandra, I will give you money to delete this, please.
Get out.
Oh. Sandra.
Foolish old man. Look at him. Indra. You think this is for everybody? Nonsense.
Elisa,
Again.
you're still painting.
Listen, let me take care of myself. Can't back on no woman.
Elisa, I don't know when you started this year painting.
You're dressed. Let me take care of myself.
Then you get ready. Let's get out of this place. You should have told me that you are a painter now, so that I will give you buildings to start painting.
Yes,
Who is that?
Good morning, Oga Landlord.
Sandra.
Why Nkwerre? I'm fine, ma. Please, I have something to discuss with you.
Can't you see that we are having a family meeting?
So again, allow her to talk now.
No. Are you blind that you cannot see that we are having family meeting?
No, please, girl, come and sit down.
Please, I won't take it.
No problem. Come and sit.
Hey. Go, just go. After you come back.
Why are you driving her now? Allow the girl to talk.
Come, Elisa. When did you become the head of this family? I am the head of this family and I give order that she should go.
Why are you shutting her up? Allow her to say whatever she wants to say.
Whatever she wants to say, she should keep it until when we come back.
No, because sit down. I'm pressed. I'm mad. Then no, then.
Sit down where?
Okay.
Don't worry, ma. I'll wait
sit
for
down
you.
where?
I'll be with you.
Come. See, Sandra, I am begging you. Don't destroy my marriage. I've already withdrawn the quit notice.
I want more than that. I want you to give me a free 1-year rent and the receipt delivered to me before the end of today.
Consider it done. I will bring the receipt to your house.
No. Don't come to my room. Just give me a call and I will take it outside the building.
Okay. No problem. Just go. Just get out.
Have a nice day.
Get out, my friend. What kind of nonsense is this?
Hey. Get one Sandra. Where is she?
Are you asking me? I told you that girl have nothing to tell you. I told you, she has gone. She said she wants to go and ease herself. I don't know whether her stomach is running the both of you at the same time. Please, can we go?
I'm ready. Let's go.
You are done with all your makeup.
Don't need to carry handbag.
You are asking me.
Okay.
Let's go, my friend.
Hey. Okay.
Go. Let me close this door.
Sandra.
Ma.
When I came out, I didn't see you again. What happened?
Oh, ma, I remembered that I had a very important call to make, so I decided to go out to buy airtime. Yes.
So what was it that you want to discuss with me?
Well, ma, I wanted to ask you about your line of business.
Okay.
Well, I can see that both of you are going out. Maybe when you come back, we can talk.
Okay. That is not a problem. I'll be expecting you.
All right, ma.
Well, let's go.
You are now my slave.
What is the meaning of this? What is all this rubbish on your hand?
Do you know me? Do you know where I belong? This charm is directly from the shrine of Okija. And if you don't allow me to sleep with you within 24 hours, your private part will begin to rotten.
What?
Rotten.
No.
Rotten.
It has not got into this now.
Rotten. Chop and clean mouth.
See, I will.
You are now in my net.
See, I will return all your money, all of them. I will return it. This cannot be now.
It's too late.
This cannot be. See, this cannot be now.
It's already.
This cannot be now. This cannot be.
The choice is yours. The choice is yours. If you don't give me what I paid for, your fine girl will be destroyed. Destroyed. Well, you can call me when you are ready.
Lisa.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So, how are your people?
We all fine.
I miss you.
Me too. You will never change.
Like how?
You will still remain everly beautiful.
And you too. Thank you.
So, Lisa, how has it been?
My dear, I'm fine. Nothing much, nothing has changed. We just did.
What about your husband?
That one is there. And he has not changed. And he will never change.
Okay, change one.
My dear, my father used to say that what cannot be changed should be endured.
You have to endure.
I have come to accept my husband the way he is. Yes. I have come to accept him just as he is. Maybe that's my fate.
Sure. Can be your fate.
Dear?
What can I say? Has he given up hope in managing your money and your business?
He has to give up hope. My business is my business.
Bagam.
And I made it clear to him that my business remains my business. Nobody manages my business for me, not while I'm still alive.
Simple.
And I'm sure it's that silly friend of his that calls himself Ndoka that put that nasty idea in his head. I told him that he should just remove his eyes from my business. So, that is it. I'm still in charge of my business. So.
You better be, You better be. Lisa, I'm so glad you have managed to resolve this.
Of course, I have to resolve it. And Nze has no choice than to accept it the way it is. My business is my business. If he wants to run a business, he should go and start his own business.
Yeah, I'm so happy for you, my
dear,
friend.
drink up, Jare.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy to see you. My friend, my friend.
It's been a while.
Good afternoon, boys. You're just coming back from school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Run along, huh? Good boys.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, mama. Hello. Welcome, eh? I am. You see, this one is called quick action.
You mean it will do the job?
Absolutely. Just take 3 shots. 1 hour before the girl arrives.
Stop me.
You're good to go. I see you come and thank me.
The idea you gave me last time worked.
That one.
If you see the fear in her eyes.
That powder. I told you. And I know this one too will do the same work. I hope this one will make me walk like a 20-year-old boy. Once you take this one, you are now a young man.
You are a native doctor.
I told you.
You are a herbalist.
You are my friend.
Let me go home and hide it. I wouldn't want my wife to see it. Yeah. Please, I will see it. You become my good friend. Let me just tell you something. Now that you have complied, you are free from the effect of the oracle. But then we will be doing this always. I've told people that it's not the matter of the body,
is the matter of the engine. You know, you need to be servicing the engine to take you all over.
See, when I go from here, you never set your eyes on me again.
Hey, no. Do you want to bring the courses back? Eh? We have to be doing this. In fact, we have to do this for 3 months.
What?
Of course.
3 months?
Except you want the courses to come back again to you. Because we need to be doing it. We need it. At least we need to do at least 20 times. 20 times.
I want to go home. I want to go home.
So when am I going to see you?
I'll call you.
Make sure you call me.
I'll call you.
Remember. How is that? This one started cutting this about something.
What is it? Who's pushing you? Is it not Sandra's boyfriend? The animal.
Hey!
That guy.
That army officer.
He keep chasing me up and down. Everywhere I go, I keep seeing that army boy.
Nze, it's okay. See, I am here with you in this village. Eh? If I get that boy, see that army officer, I will die. I will so.
Nduka, you mean you will beat him?
Have you forgotten who I am?
Hey,
Huh?
Look at your back. Look at your back.
Thank God. It's a dream. Oh God. What have I done to Sandra and the boyfriend? Why are they tormenting me? Why are they tormenting me? And I know my dream comes to pass. God. How?
Good day, sir.
Sandra,
Sir.
please come. I want to have a word with you.
Okay.
Sandra,
Sir.
please tell your army boyfriend to stop tormenting me.
Tormenting you?
Yes.
How?
What have I done to him that warrants him to be tormenting me in my dreams?
So, it was even a dream. And you sounded as if he tormented you in real life.
Sandra, my dream comes to pass.
Landlord people dream. And it means nothing.
It's different. My dream comes to pass. If I dream that you are dead, tomorrow morning you are dead.
God forbid. It is you who is above 60 and close to your grave that should die and not me.
Go, Sandra, come back here. Sandra, come back here. Why are you insulting me? Sandra, why are you insulting me?
So, it is I, Sandra, who should be used as an example for death and not yourself.
Sandra, understand me. My dreams comes to pass. Once I dream of anything, it comes to pass. As long as I have dreamed that you are a so-called boyfriend is tormenting me in my dream, it happens in real life. It must come to pass in real life. So please, I am just begging you. Tell him to stop in case if you have any plan. Please.
Landlord, we have no such plans. Whereas, my Peter is a gentleman. He cannot torment anyone unnecessarily except you don't behave yourself.
A man who from job me you are calling a gentleman.
Oh yes, he's a gentleman. So, behave yourself if you want to be treated well. Okay? That's good.
Sandra! Pray I don't dream about you. Because if I dream about you that you are dead, you are gone. And if I dream that you go naked, that you go mad, you will go mad all over the world. I called this meeting because of the new development. You people are going to pay an advance rent of 1 year. I will use the money to renovate this building, the entire building.
Bam.
Oga landlord.
Yes, Tony.
The last time you collected money like this, the project you proposed never saw the light of day.
Tony, what do you mean by that? Are you accusing me of telling lies? Or you are challenging me? You are challenging me as the landlord of this compound or what?
I wonder.
No, landlord.
So what is it?
I'm not challenging you. I'm only stating the obvious.
Obvious.
Sir, I agree with Tony. We shouldn't be taken for fools.
You see why I don't like people like you? Your landlord is telling you what to do. And you're here opposing him. Do you know how much that a bag of cement costs in the market?
Eliza, ask them.
Or do you think it's easy to build a house in this economy?
Nwanyi Nkwerre. Nobody is arguing with your husband. We're just being careful.
Yes.
The last time we paid for something like this, we didn't get any result.
Osita, shut up your mouth. Just shut up your mouth. I assure you this time around that the money will be used effectively and judiciously too.
And how do we guarantee that?
Who are you asking that question now?
Dear Sandra. Sandra. It's like you're tired of living in this house, okay?
Of course.
You're really beginning to get on my nerves, so. You pack and leave this compound, though. You pack out of this compound if you're not careful.
Nwanyi Nkwerre, if I am to pay any money, I need to be sure where that money is going to.
QED.
QED. Are you now Mr. QED or what? Or you are calling me QED?
In fact, Oga landlord, the way we are going, I don't even think we can reach any agreements here now.
Hey, you people had better pray. You people had better pray that my husband doesn't die soon. Because if my husband dies and I become the landlady of this compound, the sole owner of this compound, people will never have it easy with me. You all know that I am not an easy meat to chew. I will never take it easy with anybody that will challenge or oppose me. Anybody that tries it will just pack out of my compound.
Eliza.
Yes?
What do you mean by that?
Like what?
Are you expecting me to die? No, I'm asking you a question.
But we all die someday now. Of course you will die now. We all die someday. And you're going to die before me. That one is obvious.
So that you will take over my building.
Is that not what will happen?
Oga landlord. I propose we adjourn this meeting. We the tenants need to discuss this issue on our own. Whatever decision we come up with will be conveyed to you.
Your decision should never go contrary to what your landlord is telling you.
Let us pray now. Closing prayer.
Which can you pray?
Look
Look at this
Your
idiot.
decision shouldn't go contrary to what my husband, the landlord, is telling you people.
Mr. Proposers. Look at the proposers. And you, this Eliza, you better be careful. Oh. God. No.